This is our before of our 1998 National Tropical RV that needs some roof repair. As you can see, the black has started to show along the passenger side edge. We've got some damage around the stairs, and the vents have cracked. Awning. And we have a leak that we're trying to fix over here over the driver's side that leaks into the cab. All right, we've got everything taped off with butyl tape and fabric tape around the seams where there might be leaking, around all the different things. Super simple. Doesn't even need a squeegee like it called for. It just goes on smooth. Nice thin layer with a roller.